Just received my vanity mirror from Amazon, but first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So this is a vanity mirror I've been actually waiting for. I have it prepped right here. I'm currently working with the smaller mirror. This is supposed to be studio quality. So let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. It actually came in this box and a larger box. So let's take it out of the package. All right, so I just took it out of the box. As you can see, it comes in this type of plastic, so the foam really protects it and prevents it from getting damaged. So let's go ahead and unwrap all of this, and then we're going to go ahead and put it together. Look at that. It's actually pretty lightweight. It is not very heavy. It has these lights going around there, but this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and put it together. You do get your little charging cable right here. This is going to go ahead and give it some light. You do get your screwdriver along with the screws, and also going to be the instruction manual. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what we got to do. It looks like this right here is the base. Go ahead and take it out of the package. And as you could see down here, it does have the 6 holes that you will be using the screws to screw in that base. So first I went ahead and put the screws in manually. As you could see, I'm putting all 6 of them in. Once this was done, then I went ahead and used the screwdriver that was included just to go ahead and make sure that I tighten up these screws. This process was super quick and simple. All right, that was super simple to put together. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. It is nice and it's on the base. Now you just gotta decide where you want to go ahead and place it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it directly above the dresser, but let's go ahead and get it plugged in. So here is the power cable. Let me go ahead and take it out of the wrapper. This is what the cable looks like, and it's actually pretty long length. So you can see it is wrapped. So let me go ahead and unwrap it. Let's get this plugged in. So as you can see here on the back side, that is where your power cable is going to go. Plug that up. Super simple. So as you can see, I went ahead and set it up. It's actually quite big. It is not very heavy, but let's go ahead and turn it on. So it does have a little power right there, and as you can see, it immediately turns on. So you could go ahead and turn it on and off. You could change the mode. So as you can see, simple tap does it all. And as far as the installation, you saw me take it out of the box. It was so simple. As you can see, the lights are already pre-installed, so you don't have to go ahead and struggle with screwing them in or getting light bulbs. All I did was plug in the power cable and turned it on. Honestly, the installation was super simple. It took me under 5 minutes, and it is quite sturdy. Like I mentioned, you could go ahead and place this anywhere. You could place it in a bedroom, you could place it in a restroom, in a vanity, multiple locations, and it's so easy and portable, so you can go ahead and move it from place to place. So it does have 14 detachable LED bulbs that last over 50,000 hours. You can simply adjust the brightness. So you want to go ahead and press down on that. As you can see, you could take it from 10% all the way up to 100%. Also, another feature that I love about it is that it does have 3 different light temperatures, from natural light, warm light, and a cool light. So no matter the time of day, the lighting is always going to be on point. Another bonus that was included is this 10 times magnifier. So this is amazing for detail work like lashes, brows, skincare, and even getting that eyeliner. So whether you're looking for a vanity mirror or a mirror to place in a bedroom, in a bathroom, this is the perfect size. Assembly was super easy. As you can see, the lighting is amazing. I absolutely love that you could go ahead and adjust the brightness on this. Take a look. You could adjust the brightness on the vanity. You could go ahead and change it to 3 different lighting temperatures. So overall, if you're looking for an amazing vanity mirror, I would highly recommend